Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring firmware and bootloader are current. This avoids offsets later. Once done, home all axes and disable steppers so you can move the bed and nozzle by hand. Move the nozzle to the center and clean the nozzle and glass. A tiny residue changes distance. Now position your paper or 0. 1 0. 2 mm feeler under the nozzle and bring Z down until you feel slight drag. That first contact sets your baseline. With a baseline Z set, go to the front left corner and fine-tune the screw until the paper just drags. Repeat clockwise for the front right, and back left. Make small quarter-turn adjustments. Once corners match, recheck center. Make a tiny Z offset change in the menu if center differs. Next, enable bed mesh or bilinear leveling and run the grid probing. This maps the surface and compensates for any tilt or cup. Save the mesh to EEPROM so the printer remembers it. You finish by printing a single layer 20 mm calibration square. Watch the extrusion width and first layer squish closely. If the line is too thin, reduce Z by 0. 0 to 0. 0.5 mm increments. If it's overly squished, raise Z slightly. Make sure the bed temperature and adhesion method match your filament. Adhesive can mask leveling errors. If the print shows gaps or uneven lines, re-level the corners, rerun mesh. And
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.